That gonna be wise? Yeah. Me to be able to find out where this box is gonna be. Let me go and speak to the guys about it's for later. Wow! Sometimes it's hard to close it, but paperwork. Get this polish, that one, and then let's get it. And here we go again, guys. Sorry for all the waiting around. I took 2 weeks off because I wanted to plan a lot of things to do with the truck and with the channel, because we're doing a lot of things or the same, so we want to change a lot of things. But today is going to be a normal vlog, but I got a lot of surprises coming up. At least the truck is clean. I cleaned it on Friday as normal. Nice shiny tires. The only thing I hate about this is that sometimes in the yard it does get dusty, but it won't get dusty anywhere around the well. Get this polish, that one, and then in that tank on that side, and I think that will give it a massive change. And I want to change this as well. I want that gum. But right now I got a lot of work to do, so let's go and check this trailer that we take. So there's a lot of work going on in here. So as always, Mick is busy. Starting a late shift today. I don't like it, but it's what it is. So this is the one I'm taking. Let me double check. Yeah, 0053. What I'm gonna do now is just check it. It needs a good clean. Then alloy is gonna need a really good clean, and this is gonna need a little bit of the polish and stuff. Let's get it, start the truck and check all the lights. Lights, and obviously black lights. Yeah, lights. So I got my food here. All right, food for today. Yeah, I got some pork here. I have a Chinese for later. Wow! Always pot noodles, yogurts, and then obviously water. I got 3 bottles of water, so that's 3 days of water there for me. Throw this away now. All right, let's get underneath of that trailer now. Let's get out of here. Put the gloves on. Right, what a good start. Okay. Lift that middle axle because I'm empty. So right at the back, shouldn't be going anywhere else. Let's go straight to the dock. Woo! Anyway, we just drove to RAS. I went to the docks and dropped the blue box, and now we got this refrigerator. So we're dropping in the RAS now, and then we pick up the other one and go to Telford. So let's just get all these locks off properly, obviously. Let me go and speak to the guys about getting this box in. All right, let's just wait out. All right, somehow I need to turn around so he'll be able to get this box off. So let me see how I do this. Is that gonna be wise? Yeah. Okay. All right. Yes, that did work out. Let me see how I do it here. I might push forward and then back. There you go. There we go. Oh. There you go. That's it. So what I gotta do now is to stop here and get a BBS before we even go down to the docks again. Let's ring Tino now and see if it picks up. All right, message come through now. Let's see.
Mate, that That box wasn't available anyway. He's not got it dug out. Right, sending you 910 VBS now, pal.
9 to 10 BVS now, so we're ready to go, and that's all we need. So PP, yes. All right, oh that, yeah, let's see where's the box is located. It's nothing here. So for me to be able to find out where this box is gonna be, I need a piece of paper that comes out of the ticket slip, but it's not come out. All right, we just heard the pad one now, so let's go. Woohoo! Let's do it. Straight back into this. D. All right, the box is on, just been dropped now. Just get out of here, make our way to Telford. Didn't twist locks. This is one of the things that gets me. It gets so dirty there. Sometimes it's hard to close it, but actually it did lock this time. Normally it's hard to lock it up. Look at that. Woo! Hello, lovey. Wow. Time to go. Now in Telford, we are on the corner 4 minutes away, which is 9.9 miles away. Let's go and drop this off, and all right, here we are. Hi mate, you alright?
You alright, Cocker?
We are now early. Is that alright?
Yeah, I'm alright, mate.
Not a problem.
You been here before, have you, kid?
Yes, I have.
That's your ticket number?
Oh, is the screen working now?
Yeah, ticket 56, mate.
Nice one. Thank you.
You know where to park and all that?
Yeah. Alright, cheers mate. So let's go and reverse into one of them there. Oh crikey, we're not the only ones in here. I think it's another 4 trucks in front of me. I'm gonna go and open them doors so I'm ready to go into the Adhere straight away. Yep. When I drive that, I need to drive slowly so I don't... Nothing of this fails. Oh, you joking? It's not... Alright, so... they seem strong to me. It did work. Always gets on sit tight. I knew what was going to happen, but look, the door open again. It's not strong enough to hold it there, so I probably close it. Did it snap or something? It didn't even snap, it just come off. Oh, what a dilemma. Okay, that's good. Yeah, it's no space in there. Which did stay there, but as you know, see if I can fix this one. If it doesn't open completely, it should be alright. Is that gonna work there? So all I gotta do now is hand this in, and I'll be able to get out of here. Paperwork. Alright, the light's green. We should be alright there. Hopefully works for somebody else later. Alright, that one is in. It's time to get out of here. Alright, straight in, straight out, let's go. We should be there we got 4.5 hours to drive, and I don't need a break. I took a break there, so it should be all good and ready to go. Oh. Right, we're going back on ourselves. Alright, class 4, £8.40. Not a chance. Not gonna pay that. So if you pay online for the Messi tunnel, what will happen is that you will get a massive discount. So it's £8.40 to go through, but It shows me here in the screen. Safety £5.10. So I saved there £3.30. That is very good. That is a good saving there. Let's go in. Nah. Yeah, the tunnel is 16.6. That's what it is. Welcome to Liverpool, guys. I'm going that way, so I just take both lanes, to be honest, to be safe. Da-da-da-da-da. All good. And then from here I have to go on the other lane. All good, all good, all good. Yeah. I think I went a little bit too fast over the weighbridge and they might turn me around and make me go again.
Hello, you just failed the weighbridge. You'll have to next go.
Alright, okay. I go around again. Thank you. I did. Went too fast. Try again. Alright, this one is 3 miles an hour, so let's do 3 miles an hour. Good. Yes. It's gone straight to the customer service now. I don't know what the hell's going on. 99. Alright, we got a ticket. So terminal 1 and then terminal 2. One box gone. Put in a 20 on, so pull out, twist locks up, and then put a 20 on. Oh, it's a woman driving. That's pretty good. Put in the 20 out. So for the 40, you can pull a 20, and it's the same thing, so it doesn't change. That's good. So I don't need to bother with that now. So just reverse this in, and that'll be good. So something a little bit different, because there's nobody in the office. It's a number there temporarily closed. Well, when it's closed, they said to ring that number, so gonna go to the location, ring up and see what happens. Alright, let's go and find this location, which is HL05. So let's go and find this out. Alright, just made the phone call, all the stuff, get this on, get going, and I should be out of here soon. Alright, you just dropped it off. As hard as anybody have done it before. Wow, you just dropped it like that, man. Well, anyway, there you go. Can feel that pump, 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 pump. Alright, stop here quick, get his twist locks on and get out of here. Happy days. Pull that on. I'll do this quick. Sit. Yep. That one. You go in here. There. Alright, it's just getting dark now, so I'm gonna stop here. I'm only about 3 miles away from the place I actually have to be, so I'm gonna stop in Williehead because Wakefield, it's dangerous. It's not dangerous, it's just people robbing left and right and center. Cross these two guys. I know they're gonna stay overnight because they're packed up. Alright, all I gotta do now is do my diary, put the places I have been to, how many miles I've done in the day. That should be about it. Let me find out how many miles I did today and I come back to you straight away. So it was 666. So I did today no more or less than 312 miles, 0.3. So that'll be what I have done today. So I finish all my stuff now, do my last checks, and then get on with the rest of it, go and pack for this parking. The only reason that I'm paying for this parking tonight, I don't pay for parking, I go and park somewhere and just to stay, because this is going to cost me £32, because they give a £10 voucher as well, and I might better use that as well, because to be honest, is the most convenient one I can have. But other than that, I wouldn't stop anywhere. The only reason is because Wayfield, I got robbed once, and it's no a chance I'm going through that again. I didn't sleep that night. I was always awake trying to look away, and then they did came back as well. It was frustrating because they didn't take the fuel because they didn't get a chance, but they ripped all the wires, everything else. I was stuck there for the following day until somebody came and saved me. And that was working for the company. Imagine that happened to me. No, I'm not happy. I'd rather pay the £32 and wait for the tax and then claim that back. Otherwise, I wouldn't stay here. Not a chance, because that's my profit. So my bag gone there. So no. So anyway, gonna finish this. Gonna check my truck over. Gonna get ready for bed. I'm gonna go and pay for this, and then it should be all right. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for everything. Cheers. I'll be back tomorrow. Videos. I'm gonna do so many videos. I'm sorry for staying away for so long, but I'm back now, guys. So I'm gonna carry on the series. Cheers, guys.